In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create colorful text effect in Canva. If you already have your design open, you're just a few clicks away from transforming plain text into eye-catching, gradient-rich typography that stands out on social posts, thumbnails, and presentations. Start by selecting the text you want to style. Click directly on the text box in your canvas so it's clearly highlighted. You should see a bounding box around it, and the top toolbar will update with text options. If multiple items are stacked, click once to select the group and then click again on the text layer to focus on just the words. You can also double-click to enter text editing mode, but what matters most here is that the text layer is selected so the color controls appear. With your text selected, head to the top toolbar and click the Text Color button. It usually looks like a colored A or a small swatch next to the font and size settings. This opens the color panel. If you don't see it, make sure your text is still selected. The color button only shows text options when Canva knows you're working with a text layer. The panel includes your document colors, any brand colors, and a section dedicated to gradients. In the color panel, locate the default gradient colors section. To browse the full range, click See All. This expands a gallery of gradient options from subtle two-tone blends to bold rainbow effects. Gradients create a smooth transition between colors, which is what gives text that colorful, dimensional look. As you explore, think about contrast with your background. A bright gradient works well over dark images, while deeper gradients can look striking on light or pastel backgrounds. Now, apply your effect by selecting the gradient you like. Click once, and Canva updates your text instantly so you can preview the result on your design. If the gradient feels too busy against your background, try a simpler blend from the same gallery, or switch to a gradient with higher contrast to keep the words readable at a glance. You can always click back into the color panel to test a few options until it feels just right. That's all it takes. Select your text, open the text color controls at the top, expand the default gradient colors, and choose the gradient you love. In just a moment, you've upgraded your typography with a colorful professional finish that draws attention and reinforces your style. Have fun experimenting, and enjoy how quickly this effect elevates your design in Canva.